I'm Kim.
I'm Brad.
We're 6260 Ohana, California, and today we're doing a room tour of a standard view yacht room club. So this is nice. We have a Keurig. I'm excited.
As soon as you walk into the room.
First thing, caffeine.
And the thing is they gave us 4 pods for...
Yeah.
Which is odd, because the other place that we stayed at, which was more expensive...
Only gave us 2 pods. Yeah. So yay, more coffee. Nice little fridge.
Oh, that's really little.
Same thing come out. Oh. Nice. Little drawer. Interesting.
Okay.
Alright. Is this bathroom? Okay, let's take a look.
Lights on. Hello.
Oh. Hello.
Like I said, we just walked in.
Okay. Still have the backpack on. Oh, I like how they have the little bottles out here. A little vanity kit. And that comes with a collection of beauty essentials. Ensure your absolute best before walking out the door, including cotton pads and cotton swabs and a nail file.
Okay. And I got nice sinks. 2 double sinks.
Yeah. Lots of storage underneath.
Hair dryer.
Hair dryer. Makeup mirror. Yeah. Okay. It's a little tighter of a shower.
Yeah.
Or bathroom.
We're saying this because we're used to being DVC.
This is, yeah, so for us it's a tiny shower. But they still have the bottles here.
Wow, that's nice.
Yay.
About a good sized shower. Now the question is, can I fit? Wow.
Oh, that's a nice shower for you.
Now I got room. Just in case you want to know, there's the toilet. And as soon as you come out of the bathroom, you got...
Alright, we have a big closet area. Ooh. Hello.
Oh, those are nice. It's
That's
lighted.
a beautiful closet.
Yeah, so they got a big area for dresses, and then for
Shirts.
men's jackets, shirts. Big area
Huge.
up top.
It's a nice little, a nice open little spaces here. Oh, okay.
It's a foldable ironing board.
That's new.
Iron.
And this says steam iron. Ooh.
It's a regular iron.
No, it's a steam iron. Is it?
No, it's a regular
No,
iron.
it's a regular iron. Okay, but it comes in a bag. I've never seen that at Disney before.
Safe.
Safe.
Pretty standard affair.
Yeah, nothing fancy.
And then some drawers, some spots under,
Yeah.
some spots there, and some spots underneath and above. It's not on right now, but when we walked in, it said "Welcome to our party," family on it. And look at that. That's a really cool
Yeah.
front.
Your USB ports, plug-ins.
I like USB ports. A
Little
lot of drawers.
thin drawer, a little deeper.
It's a cool, but that's a cool face.
Okay, your extra blankets.
Okay. More drawers,
More drawers.
more USB, more plug-ins. So
Yeah.
this is great.
Nice little luggage rack. Okay, so that is the only closet in this room. So that's kind of interesting.
Let's look at
Yeah.
the desk. Okay.
Desk, more
More
USB
USB port, more plugins. They get me.
They get you. Okay, so
Okay, so-
another one of these like pull-out tables.
That's kind of interesting. This one
Yeah.
fits better though.
Yeah, it does.
Okay.
Extra space.
And then we'll look at this side of the room. Little
Yeah.
relaxing chair. Nightstand with
More USB ports. Let's
And
turn on
plugins.
light. I just saw something interesting. A little reading light.
Yeah.
I like those.
Look at
And
the
then you-
design on that wall.
Interesting.
And nice sized bed. Actually, that's a really good sized bed.
Yeah, right? But this feels a
And-
little rough, I'm going to tell you.
And
I'm a little
underneath,
worried.
there's room.
Oh, yeah, so you can put your luggage underneath.
Which I love that feature because they have that at DVC rooms. Oh look, Mickey ears with Snow White.
Oh, when you're curious, you find lots of interesting things to do. And one thing it takes to accomplish something is courage. Dreaming is what we do best. Thank you for sharing in our dream.
Cool.
This is really appropriate for me right now.
And sorry about the vacuum.
That's mouthkeeping outside.
Yeah.
I like this. I found our first hidden Mickey.
Where? Oh yeah.
Hiding.
Right there. And nightstand with more USB ports. And the light switch, I wish that light switch for these lights weren't right there though.
Yeah.
Because it's kind of difficult to get to, but... And again, another reading lamp. Here's the overview of the whole room, the actual, I guess, bedroom.
Yeah.
It's nice.
Yeah. It's very clean, crisp.
There's a lot of room for
There
a
is.
regular room.
So one thing I noticed I really like a few things. is these are like constellations.
Yeah, that's really cool.
Or stars, I guess.
We sail by the stars.
Pretty. Something I noticed as being a parent, there's a child safety lock on this. So that's always a nice thing.
So Kim won't be getting out of the room.
Try that for not getting out of the room. Okay, so we have a cute little balcony. Not much of a view.
Show the balcony.
Standard view, but I kind of think it's an ugly view. But it's a big balcony. It's a large.
Standard view.
Yeah, I think this is probably the worst view we've ever had at Disney.
Well, I got to look at equipment. The problem with this room, I think I'm seeing right now, and I'm going to say it before we actually do a full overview, is that we could be sitting here and looking into our neighbors' porches down below and in front. It's kind of a
weird,
situation, but
I'm glad we have a balcony.
Yeah. So we'll take what we can. I mean, if we just look out the windows, it's still nice.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's our room tour. A little out of the ordinary type of room tour for us because we're so used to big DVC rooms and.
This, like we said, this is an extra trip that we booked last minute. We wanted to stay here at Yacht Club because we wanted to enjoy Stormalong Bay, but there's switch offs. So we're gonna get back to you and let you know what we think of the room once we've stayed here.
Yeah, and so for you guys, it'll be just a second, but for us, it'll be 4 days later. So here we go. Okay, so for you guys, it's been a quick second, as always, but for us, it's been 4 days.
It went by so quick.
Yeah, so let's start with a couple of cons of the room this time. What do you think?
Okay.
One is
construction.
Kim actually was doing some makeup and didn't have a clue that there was somebody actually on our front porch and nobody told us. Turn around.
Ah! Okay.
Good morning.
Well, that's a surprise.
So it's hard to put that against the room, but I guess they should have told us that something like that happens because you can see her jumping and when she realized it.
Anyways, I think the bed was okay. It's not the softest bed. It's not the hardest bed. It was medium.
It's just like the Three Bears, just in the middle.
I don't know if I called just right yet.
So other things that were weird. One thing I really wish is that this room was a little bit bigger. Okay, sorry guys about the noise. There's not a lot we can do about it. Again, this is what we were dealing with in the mornings, unfortunately. So let's go on to other thing. Okay, we were talking about, I wish the room was actually bigger. It's one of those things, I know we're DVC, so we kind of have a little bit of bias about the size. But unfortunately, I kind of look like a Disney Cruise Line room. And those, how well organized those are. I wish this was better organized so you had more space.
I don't feel like this is too much bigger, actually, now that you mention it, than a ship cabin.
It's actually smaller, or it's actually bigger than a ship cabin. It's just not organized like a ship cabin is, I guess is the way to put it.
Okay, it does feel really small.
Yeah. Okay, so overall, would we recommend staying here? I think if we need a room, yeah.
As far as a room, I mean, we had what we needed. Was it fancy? Was it over the top? No, actually, for a Disney room, I kind of put it in the middle.
Yeah, I mean, it had shower size was fine. The vanity, actually, I like the double sink vanity, which was nice.
Yeah.
Everything else was just kind of fine.
That's a good way to put it. It's fine. I think we've stayed in more themed rooms. We've stayed in nicer rooms. Definitely the closet space you could feel this time compared to other resorts. So I would kind of put that in the con, is the closet.
Yeah, it is a con, but it is also, I do like having the wardrobe like they do have too. So it's kind of
But I mean, if you had, it's kind of tight. So if you want to, hang up a bunch of stuff, it's not your normal size closet.
Yeah. So, that's where we're kind of, it's fine. If it was available, this was a short trip for us that we booked at the last minute, so it was available. We took it. It worked out great for what we needed it for.
Am I disappointed? Not really. I mean, I think the construction is making it a little disappointing, but that's one thing is Disney didn't, this is one of the few times I can ever say that Disney didn't give us a heads up.
Yeah. Other than that is watch for our resort review. Hint, it's close to Epcot, so kind of a bonus. So if you found this video helpful, please like
Subscribe.
and follow along on Hana. I think with that, it's time for us to say goodbye and
Find your magic. Bye, everyone.
Everybody. Bye, construction noise. Oy, oy, oy.
I know. It's not very relaxing.